So you're ready to make your first tutoring appointment at the Academic Support Center. So what's the first thing we need to do? We are going to go to our website. So let's get to icc.edu/ASC for Academic Support Center. Once we're there, we are going to scroll down to make an appointment. Now with Microsoft One Access, it's faster and easier than ever to use WCOnline to make that tutoring appointment. So the first thing you'll see are our hours for both campuses, Peoria and East Peoria, and you'll be able to see the login button. When you click on the login button, you will be prompted with the same page that you see when you log into Outlook, Canvas, MyICC, your other Microsoft apps, and it'll ask for that ICC email address. So you'll put that in, you'll put in your password, and then it may also prompt you to use your Microsoft Authenticator app for that two-factor authentication. Okay, so once that is done, you should be logged in. It'll prompt you as well if you want to stay signed in. That'll make it a very easy one-click login to get back into WCOnline after this. And for first-time users, if you've never been on WCOnline before, once you put in that email address and password, it'll ask you for a little bit more contact information like your name maybe and some other things just to finish setting up your account here. And once that's done, you're in WCOnline. And this is what you'll see when you log in. It automatically puts you on the East Peoria schedule. So if you want to make a tutoring appointment for someone in Peoria, or if you want to sign up for a student success workshop or an embedded tutoring session, you'll need to click on schedules up here. So then you can click on schedules and choose a different schedule from the list that's provided. Maybe I've got an assignment for an English class coming up, so I could really use some help with an English tutor. So if I need help with English class, there's a few things I can do. If I already know one of the tutors at the Academic Support Center, I can sort my display options here by staff and resources. So I can select someone I already know. I know Sierra Doss is such a cool, fun tutor, so I am going to click on her name, and then I'm going to click one of these open spaces. Any of these blank white spaces is a free slot I can use to sign up for tutoring. Or if I just want to see anybody that can help me, then what I'm going to do is I will go to course selection options and I will find my specific English class. So let's go with English 111. This will show me every tutor available who tutors in this course. So again, Manny and Sierra are available. Wonderful, wonderful news. And so what I need to do next is I need to click on this empty space. And so this is when my plethora of options really begins. So I've got the date I want to come in for tutoring, the time. Then I have the option to come in to the ASC, have a face-to-face appointment, or I can come online and meet with someone. So if we're meeting online, we'll either meet through WCOnline. So right in here, once I have my appointment made, I'll be able to click a big red button that says join your online appointment, or I'll just meet face-to-face today. Then I can put in my course number, English 111. I will put in my instructor's name, and I will put in their email. And this is stuff I can usually find on my Canvas page somewhere. And then I'll check the discipline or the subject that I'm looking for help with, English. And what would I work on? I have a persuasive essay. When is my project due? Let's see, my appointment is on the 3rd. So let's say it is due Sunday. So we will say 9/08/24. Okay. And now we have the awesome option to choose to upload a file. So if I have a first draft or a list or even an outline of my essay, anything that's already done, or just some notes on what I think I want to do for my paper, I can upload that file. There's a list of options of the types of files you can upload. And so if I upload that ahead of time, I can give my tutor a heads up on exactly where I'm at in the paper writing stage. And then we may not have to spend time during our appointment rereading my work so far, because if I upload it when I make the appointment, they have time to read my work in advance. So we can jump right into what we need to do next once I meet with them. So I could upload a file. I can type in my document name, essay outline. So just for fun for us, I will upload this PDF of our semester hours. And so then I can create my appointment. So now I can see my attached file. This is my appointment detail. My appointment has been saved, so I can click out of here. And on my account, every appointment that I make, my own appointments, will be this nice golden color. And when I look in my email, I'll get a wonderful email letting me know that I have made this appointment. It's basically a receipt. So now you know how to make an appointment for your free tutoring at the Academic Support Center.